Deliciously sweet vanilla whipped cream is made with just 3 ingredients: heavy cream, vanilla extract, and powdered sugar. You can make your whipped cream in a stand mixer or by hand with a whisk. Let's start with the mixer version. Throw all of your ingredients in a mixer and let it do the heavy lifting. Put it on medium speed for 1 to 2 minutes until medium peaks form, which in less fancy terms basically means the cream holds its shape while still being soft and luxurious and not too stiff. Don't have a mixer? Throw all of your ingredients in a bowl and get your muscles out. Whisk it rapidly for a few minutes until medium peaks form. Unless you're superhuman, you're probably going to need to stop for a breather or two. But I have faith in you. Spoon on cakes, pies, pots de creme, ice cream, or in your mouth. This recipe and more on Tastefully Grace.